Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can add any code to your picture without any app, without any software, without any piece. Just simply follow this guideline. Okay, let's go to the Google. We will go here. We will try to visit this website cutout.pro, and from here you can choose passport photo maker and click on upload. Just simply upload your picture, and then here when the picture appears, wait a minute, we can do that very easily. I can show you. Yes, here click on any code that you like. Just simply, this is very easy process and it's free. Okay, you see here, it's a magic, right? Yes, it's really very easy and it's free. After that, done. And now you can see this is the original and this one is we add the code. Now here you can download the HD, or you can choose the type. For example, you can choose JPG type, or you can choose PNG, and just click here on the download option. We choose, for example, this one. We can increase the image quality and we just click on download. Yeah, here we download it, and that's all. So here was this picture and we added the code. Is now this picture. Is it fun, right? Yes, it's fun. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, because your one subscription can help us to grow our channel and it can encourage us to make more videos for you people. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.